Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at Polygon Matic, a 4.77% increase in the last 24 hours, while the market's stabilizing right around a 0.2% increase in the last 24 hours. Polygon's doing much more, and that's exactly what we want to see. Polygon's one of those coins that has continued to do very well, even when the market has struggled, and this is a great kind of an understanding of that, is this great article here. So Polygon Matic token ended May up 120% despite Bitcoin's price crash. So Matic's monthly gain proves that cryptocurrency backed by growing usage can weather really broader market sell-off, and that's exactly what we're seeing here. And it talks more about this, obviously, in the article. We're not going to deep dive into it because we've talked about this article in the past on a crypto news segment, so make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video if you guys want to stay up to date with crypto news, as well as so many other altcoins and price predictions along with them. But jumping back to Polygon, we do want to take a quick look at the price chart. So, like I said, the last week has been a rough week. It's been about a 12% decrease. However, you can see that we just had a nice push from $1.55 all the way up to about $1.70, and now stabilizing, hopefully not falling too much farther down, but around that $1.64 to $1.70 price range is our current, and we are continuing, like I said, to see Polygon do very well. I do want to look at the last year because this is something that is substantial, and a lot of people don't realize how much Polygon has grown since our probably first video on the channel being early March, right around that 30-cent price point, or maybe even 20-cent price point on Polygon. We talked about the huge potential in Polygon, so hopefully you guys were able to jump in at those low numbers. We do see $1.64, and I don't think it's over yet. We had this huge push over to $2.68, and I think something like that is definitely bound to take place again with Polygon. So if you guys don't know what Polygon is, Polygon was formerly called the Matic Network. Polygon Matic is an Ethereum token that powers the Polygon Network, a scaling solution for Ethereum. Polygon aims to provide faster and cheaper transactions on Ethereum using Layer 2 sidechains, which are blockchains that run alongside the Ethereum main chain. Users can deposit Ethereum tokens to a Polygon smart contract, interact with them within Polygon, and then later withdraw them back to the Ethereum main chain. The Matic token is used to pay transaction fees and participate in proof of stake consensus. So we're going to jump into some of the partnerships and really integrations that have taken place recently with Polygon, some much bigger than others, and we'll mention that when we jump across some of those. So the first up, we see Mosaic Moz, which is a fairly large 34.5K following behind this idea altogether. It's a music NFT platform, and it's building on Polygon. So Mosaic, or I'm not sure exactly honestly how to say this, Mosaic plans to launch its first NFT very soon, with Jay Wooten Soul, which looks like is a 3-time Grammy Award nominated artist. So this is definitely big, jumping with more integrations and more partnerships with big names like Mosaic Moz. 34.5K followers is definitely going to be a good thing. Taking a look at the next one, this is probably one of the biggest things we'll talk about today, is Polygon being listed on BitThumb Official. So this was announced today at 3:39 a.m. It talks about, hello, Korea Matic now listed on BitThumb Official, Korea's biggest crypto exchange. So trade Matic with native KRW pairs. So this is exactly what you want to see, obviously giving more accessibility for this great coin of Polygon. Taking a look at the next one, we say hello to Apple Finance One, the first intelligent money market protocol based on Polygon. The Apple Finance Yield Farm enables lenders to use their supplied asset vouchers, tokens, to gain interest in governance voting power. So this is definitely a big deal as well, seeing Polygon and Apple Finance jump in together. We also have explore the Polygon ecosystem like never before with CryptoAtlas.io, or CryptoAtlas_IO. Crypto Atlas actually has about 15K followers, so it shows that there's a decent impact there. But Polygon community is now live on Crypto Atlas, a crypto networking and discovery platform. We take a look at the next one. We have Fury Combo, a transaction batching protocol, is scaling its DeFi protocol with Polygon in line with Polygon's DeFi for all mission. Fury Combo, which their 15K followers, is bringing DeFi blue chips to the masses. So every time something like this is a partnered or really just working together in a collaboration, we are seeing more and more people really recognizing what Polygon is really capable of doing, and that's exactly what we want to see. A lot of people being introduced to Polygon in the ecosystem altogether, and a lot of people realizing why Polygon is so efficient and continuing to grab so many different projects. Just really reeling them in with the opportunity there within Polygon. Taking a look at our last one of the little group of partnerships and integrations that we're going to look at today is Composable Fin is bringing its bridge to Polygon. So using Polygon's full stack scaling solution, Composable Finance aims to reduce time delays, complications, and costs when users move their assets from different scaling solutions. So you can see, it's a very, very new kind of coin at 1,454 followers, but any partnership, any integration is definitely a good thing. There's not too many integrations or partnerships out there that would be a bad thing. Polygon's continuing to use their ecosystem, their outreach, their really growth and potential to help so many other projects. So many projects are benefiting from Polygon, and we're going to continue to see Polygon do very, very well, in my opinion. I do want to go back to this price chart and talk about this accumulation period that we're currently in. So $1.63, Polygon is continuing to kind of decrease right now, but realistically, we're still seeing a great 4.22% increase in the last 24 hours, while a lot of coins are struggling in the last 24 hours. So Polygon looking fairly good. I think we are going to continue to see, like I said, Polygon do very, very well in the upcoming months ahead. But specifically June, a lot of people talk about this accumulation or really manipulation or FUD period, and I do think by the end of July we might be able to break out of that, Polygon specifically. But by the end of June, I think we are going to still be in this manipulation or FUD stage, maybe more of an accumulation stage at this point, because there hasn't been too much manipulation or FUD recently. But Polygon does have a great way of breaking out because of its really necessity to the ecosystem and cryptoverse as a whole. Polygon by the end of June, though, I think will be a realistic and conservative price point of about $2. $2 is definitely a possibility I could see. Just the last, I guess if we take a look at the last week, you can see that we were actually at $1.99 May 31st at 9 p.m. And I think we could easily get back to that $1.99, $2 mark. So I do want to talk about July because this is going to be an interesting month for Polygon. I do expect a lot of coins to really increase substantially by the end of July. Very, very big push in my opinion. I think it'll be very, very sideways, boring, slow trends up until about mid-July, and then we will see a breakout for some altcoins by the end of July. So Polygon going to be hopefully one of those, pushing closer to its previous all-time high of $2.46. I do think about a $2.25 to $2.75 price range is definitely going to be realistic for the end of July, but realistically, you could see anywhere between $2.50 and $3 by the end of July. So we'll see what does happen with Polygon by the end of July. We'll continue to keep you guys up to date with price predictions as well as big news and information on the channel. So jumping into our last price prediction, it's going to be by the end of the bull market or by the end of the year. Realistically, by the end of the bull market is probably more accurate because we don't know if that's going to obviously, continue going through the months of December. We don't know how long, obviously, part 2 of the bull market will be. But a lot of people are expecting big things, and I think Polygon will do big things in the second part of the bull market. I think it'll continue to do very, very well during this, slow manipulation or accumulation phase. But after this accumulation phase, I expect it to do even much, much better. By the end of the bull run part 2, I do expect about a $7 to $12 price point on Polygon. We'll continue to keep you guys up to date with all of these price predictions, so make sure to quickly subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video. I will really, really appreciate it if you guys would also leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think about my price predictions. Are they a little high, a little low? As well as if there's any coins you guys want me to take a look at, always let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much again. I'll see you all in the next one.